Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Anushka and in today's video we are going to make a vision board. So what is a vision board? A vision board is physical collection of items such as pictures, magazine, words, quotes, etc. that visually affirm your goals and dreams. So steps to make a vision board are: create list of goals you would like to achieve. Then collect some pictures that inspire you to achieve your goals. And then figure out the way you want to make the collage. You can also take pictures that you like. So going to write the heading vision board. And then some cute pictures as well. Also going to add some quotes. Like this says make art. The other quote says keep going. And just going to draw some doodle around it. So you can choose quotes that you like or inspires you. So if you like this video then please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me on Instagram.